answers. The jungle and the Ganga expedition were a delicate blend of excitement, adventure, and learning. Places like Jim Corbett and Rishikesh brought to us new and wonderful experiences which changed our entire way of thinking and extended our limitations. When we were going, we were pretty curious about ourselves. But when we returned, no one could know us better than ourselves. We actually felt the connectivity between us and nature. This is my personal experience. What about others?
Rishikesh. The name still gives me sparks of excitement. It is really good that the school gave us such an opportunity to go on such an adventurous trip. It was like we were lifted from our luxurious life and there we were, all alone, being independent, but that's a part of important learning. Then comes rafting. Oh, it was such fun. It was stressful, but we enjoyed a lot. We had many activities like trekking. We even went for social interaction with the village people living there. It was very fun, and obviously being with friends made it more exciting. And I'd like to thank my school for this trip, and it was superb overall.
I went to Rishikesh, a wonderful place. I had to live away from my parents for 10 days. I had to live with my friends. It was a wonderful experience living with them. I got to know a lot more about them. The tasks presented to us over there challenged every skill of ours, and they were amazing. And the place, I cannot describe it in words. It is a beautiful place, and I would just say that it was a wonderful experience.
We had a lot of fun in our coach trip, which was to Jim Corbett National Park. We had many adventurous games. We saw how people worked there, how they earned their livelihoods, what type of clothes they wore, and what were their traditional songs. We played a lot in streams, but missed our parents. It was a wonderful experience of living in tents between the jungle. We had a lot of fun there. I wish I would again go for this trip.
Being in Rishikesh was a really wonderful experience for me, especially being around 8 to 9 days, especially with your kids, especially with your children, was totally a new experience. We had a lot of fun involving in all the trekking, all the rafting activities, and also being with each other in the night camp or maybe with sitting around near the place. It was really a very good experience.
I guess I have to admit, I regret not going to the trip. But I thought living in some lonesome forest with nothing to do would be pretty harsh. I thought it would be a bizarre idea, but I was pretty wrong. From what my friends told me, I think that they had an evergreen memory and an experience they will enrich throughout their lives. And the changes in them, they are too obvious to ignore. They have learned to push their physical limits and they have learned to look at life in a positive manner. Oh, how I wish I had been to the trip. Next time I'll make sure that I'll be to the trip if some same kind of trip is taken up by the school.
I really wish I would have gone on the coach expedition. It would have been an enlightening experience. I really regret having missed the opportunity. I saw a sea change in the personality of my friends when they returned. What I found was coach was filled with adventure, learning, problem solving, self-exploration, discovery, and a lot of other important skills. From the photos I saw and what my friends told me, I can assure you that coach was well worth the time and money invested. And from next time I would definitely opt for such outbound learning expedition.
Talk shit, fall down, no problem. When I drink, it's a problem, cause I cause problems. Yeah, cold-hearted, man, I'm so robotic. Not like you forgot, but I'm slightly psychotic. I'm here to terrorize the world and up the minds up of you boys and girls. Just to